It's not very good at going up hills. Blue? Sure. Should we go up to that little hut on the roof, on the hill? Well, let's check here because these houses look unlooted. Oh, car behind you! Car behind you! Keep going! Run! 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 Oh! Oh my gosh! I just rinsed both of them. Medkit here, Peter. Come. Oh, an 8x scope. Oh my gosh.